Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. We have a critical fire weather risk today that encompasses South Central Texas. So we have a critical fire weather risk today. Cities in the critical fire weather risk today include Victoria, Texas, Kingsville, Texas, Seguin, Texas, Alice, Texas, and Beeville, Texas. And there are two areas where we have an elevated fire weather risk today. One encompassing parts of southern Texas, surrounding the critical, and another elevated fire weather risk today includes a small portion of Southern California. Just a tiny bit of South Central California. Just a tiny bit. So, in synopsis, with an upper low intensifying in the mid-south and southeast today, a strong mid-level jet will overspread parts of the central and southern plains along its western flank. In the west, an initially strong surface high will steadily weaken throughout the day. So, for South Texas, strong surface winds 15 to 25 miles per hour are expected across much of Texas. Wind gusts of 30 to 35 miles per hour also appear possible, with the northerly low-level jet maintaining intensity into part of the afternoon. How low relative humidity will fall remains somewhat uncertain, but 15 to 25 miles per hour, or 15 to 25%, 15 to 25% is the consensus from guidance. Dry fine fuels with above average loading will promote elevated to critical fire weather. In Southern California, a few hours of elevated fire weather appears probable, as the typically wind-prone areas of LA and Ventura counties maintain 15 to 20 miles per hour locally higher winds. Relative humidity will likely still be low at 15 to 20% as well. As the pressure gradient weakens, fire weather concerns should subside by mid to late afternoon. So, that's your Day 1 fire weather outlook. Stay safe in these areas today. And if I were you, just remain vigilant today. And if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event they need to evacuate on a moment's notice. So, just be aware of that, because fires can start, and they can spread quickly. So, and please avoid outdoor burning in these areas. I repeat, please avoid outdoor burning in these areas, especially in the critical fire weather risk. But also avoid outdoor burning in the elevated. So, and do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit. Because 1, that's littering. 2, just one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. So, and do not throw lit cigarettes in the trash. Make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. Otherwise, that could cause a trash can fire. So, stay safe in these areas today, and my Day 1 severe weather outlook will come out once it's updated. Take care.